Hi everyone. Alright, today I'd like to have the unboxing session of a Casio Exilim EX ZR-65. Okay, I've got this Casio Exilim camera for my birthday, okay, last January. So I'm very excited about it. This is the gift from my children, so I'm gonna unbox it. Okay, first thing that you'll see, in the box, it comes with the 32GB SD card, and then you're gonna receive the manual book. Inside this manual book, you will also receive a tourist warranty certificate. Now, this is very important if you go to Japan, and you have to bring this along in case, within 1 year, in case that you're having problem with this Casio Exilim, so you can, you can fix it over there. Alright, and comes in this nicely folded thing is the camera itself. Okay, this is the camera. Okay, it has the very suitable for vloggers, especially female vloggers like me. Okay, we'll come to the features in a while. And then we also have in the box the battery. This is the adapter. Okay, inside here, the adapter. This is the adapter. Here is the charging cable. And finally in the box you'll find the USB cable. Okay, so it comes with that. And oh yeah, I forgot, it also comes with this what do you call this?
Strap.
The camera strap. Okay, call this the camera strap. Okay, as you can see, okay, this is the front part of the camera, nice and sleek. Okay, so here is the on and off button. Right, this is for shutter button. Okay, all right, so I'm going to insert the camera, the battery to the camera. You have, this is locked, so you have to open it, and you do it like no, like this. Okay, you do it like this, and then there you go, it's locked. Okay, then don't forget to put your SD card here. Look at the symbol there, and I think it's there, right?
Yes.
Okay, and then you close it and don't forget to lock it. Okay, done. So this is the on and off button. So there you go. So you have, you have switch it on. Okay, and this is the picture. Okay. You can also do this. Okay, so if you want to take selfie of yourself, you just use the flip display like this, right? Okay. Okay, right now I'm going to take a photo, okay, by pressing this button right here. Tekan je. Secondly, if you look into this mode button, so when you press it, okay, you're gonna see there are many functions there. You have premium auto pro function, program auto, best shot, art shot, selfie art, time lapse. Okay, so you can choose one. As for me, to make it easier, I'll choose the premium auto pro. The next mode is the best shot mode. Okay, there. So I'm going to set that. So in this best shot, you can choose the shot that you prefer. So as for me, since I like to do vlogging and selfie, so usually I'm going to choose the beauty mode.
This is a triple shot. This one is magnifying glass. This is night scene and portrait. And we have the night shot, HDR, anti-shake, blurred background, all in focus macro, and multi SR zoom. Slide panorama, so we have a lot here. So we have wide shot.
Okay, so I will show you the variety of shot. One of them is the beauty mode just now. So the before and after, and other shots as well. Alright, I think that's all about it with the unboxing the Casio Exilim ZR-65. Oh, before that I forgot to tell you that this is a 16 megapixel camera, right? And I hope you found this video helpful for those who wants to find a camera for vlogging or for selfie. So this is the one. Okay. If you like this video, please do subscribe, like, and share. And if you have any comments, put it down below to the comment section. Thank you. See you again in the next video.